What's up guys? Sony's cameras have always been the centerpiece features of the Xperia smartphones, even if they haven't always had the greatest success. With the Xperia 1 Mark II, the company promises excellent shots and videos thanks to its improved hardware and processing. Yeah guys, here we have our first official camera samples of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I just wanna say one thing, the camera samples are great. Guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And guys, here we have some official promo videos of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. As I said before, the company promises excellent shots and videos thanks to its improved hardware and processing, and that's the focus on one of the latest promo videos. Yeah guys, but what we found even more interesting is this short video showcasing how the AI focusing works. The camera uses AI to recognize the objects in the photo and then takes the decision to focus on one that is most likely your primary subject. The AI object recognition is aided by the 3D TOF sensor, which captures a topographical map of all subjects within a few meters of the distance. And since the 3D TOF camera works regardless of the available light, this should also mean that autofocus acquisition should probably work well even in dimly lit conditions. And yeah guys, if you want to learn a bit more about the handset as a whole, you can watch this hands-on video from Sony. It talks not only cameras but also 5G connectivity, performance, display and the battery life. You can also check out, the link is given in the description box below. And yeah guys, the camera sample credits goes to the one and only dpreview.com. The link is given in the description box below. You can also check out. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.